Hello students, I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shed Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai.
This is the continuation of civics for standard 8th, understanding our criminal justice system part 2. What is the role of the judge? The judge is like an umpire in a game and conducts the trial impartially and in an open court. The judge hears all the witnesses and any other evidence presented by the prosecution and the defense. The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence presented and in accordance with the law. If the accused is convicted, then the judge pronounces the sentence. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes. What is a fair trial? Article 21 of the Constitution that guarantees the right to life states that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following reasonable and just legal procedure. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld. Here in this chapter, we have studied about Shanti's case. According to this case, we have seen that the guilty should be given the charge sheet and all other evidence that the prosecution presented against the guilty. The trial should be held in the presence of the accused. The lawyer should be given an opportunity to cross-examine all the prosecution witnesses. Here we can understand that the Constitution and the law both state that all the persons that we have discussed in this chapter should carry out their roles in a proper manner. What this means is that they all need to work to ensure that every citizen, irrespective of their class, caste, gender, religious, and ideological backgrounds, gets a fair trial when accused. The rule of law, which says that everyone is equal before the law, would not make much sense if every citizen were not guaranteed a fair trial by the Constitution.